think one of the many things that makes our community unique is the longevity of our staff. I myself have been here since the community opened, but our activities or celebrations director's been here a very long time. So is the majority of our staff. It's very rare that we have a lot of staff turnover. If we do, it's usually in the dining room. So I would think that's what makes us unique and different. The license that we hold here at Discovery Commons South Biscayne is called ECC, which stands for Extended Congregate Care License. A lot of places that hold either standard or limited nursing say that they can have people age in place. However, state guidelines say that truly to age in place, you must hold the ECC or Extended Congregate Care License, and that's what we hold here at Discovery Commons South Biscayne. I think the reason that you should consider Discovery Commons South Biscayne is if you look at Google reviews, you will see all of the reviews and feedback. We have the highest number of doctors and influential people that have loved ones that reside with us, and we have an outstanding reputation in the area.